All right, glory to God. This is your man, Deron Bond here. What we are looking at is figure 23, sectional chart excerpt. That is featured in the ASA Remote Pilot 2023 test prep, which can use some revisions and updates, by the way. So on page 2-17, this is in the typography section. Question 1104. Refer to figure 23, area 3. The top of the group obstruction, approximately 11 nautical miles from Savannah Vortac on the 009 or 009 degree radial is, and you got your choices right there. What I did when I first saw this, what I did was just simply, okay, you got Savannah Vortac right here. What I actually did was just basically just go up on the, let me zoom in some more here. I just basically like just went up and I just estimated or guesstimated, if you will, 11 nautical miles, and this is the only obstruction that is near the 0 degree. Okay, and I'm like, okay, well, 00 or 009 degrees got to be up here somewhere, and I was like, okay, this has to be the answer. Okay, just based off of just sure sight and common sense. So 454 feet MSL is the correct answer. But me being so inquisitive, okay, I had to find out, how do you determine where is 009 or 009 degrees? And I am going to show you what I saw. So, all right, so I looked on YouTube, nothing. And by the way, this is known as a compass rose. Okay, this entire thing right here is this is a compass rose. This entire thing right here. All right. So anyway, I'll tell you how I learned this. Thank God for my grandmother telling me, boy, God gave you a mind. And what she meant was, well, you need to use it. You know what I mean? But anyway, common sense, man. Anyway, so so I noticed here, okay, you got 0 degrees negative, you got 0 degrees magnetic north right here. I noticed that this right here, you got this blue, light blue line with 001 or 001 degrees. Okay, I actually noticed this as I was looking around and figuring this out. But you go over here and there's like 3, and then you go over here, there's 6. So what happened was, I just said, you know what is in between these areas here? I just went to, looking around, and I'm like, okay, I just started, so this is 001 or 001 degrees. So what I did was just put 4 little dashes right here, okay? Because I'm like, okay, there's 3, there's 2, there's 1, and in between here has to be like a 5 or whatever. So basically, this is 001, 001, 002, 003, and so forth and so on. I did this just to make it even more clear. I made this like and you can tell I made it anyway. But yeah, I put the light blue line or light blue rectangle, and then I put the 005 degrees or 005 degrees, and just to kind of emulate this right here. And this is basically the 5 or the 005 degree mark. This right here is basically 10 degrees. You can't really tell because they have so much text overlying the marker. And this is 20 degrees. And the reason why I'm saying 20 is because even though it doesn't have a zero behind it, it is that. It's just like you're looking at a compass. Okay, so this is 30 degrees. And even right here, you see where it says 0, 3, 4, but it's 34 degrees. That right there is 35 degrees. So I said, like I said, man, when I find out how to do this, I am going to share it with the world. And so this is the official way, if you don't know, okay, this is the official way how to read a compass rose on these sectional charts. All right. Glory to God. This is your man, Ron Bond. Until next time, God bless. Stay tuned, and you're welcome. Out.